Hey guys, Spring Shibe here, and in this video I'm just gonna literally tell you how to make one of these very low effort relatable memes. So like you see these like this funny, how it's just a white background with black text and then just a funny picture. Well, I'm gonna teach you how to do that in today's episode of Kurt's Gazette. Go away. So anyways, you're gonna want to upload a picture. Yeah, so give me a second. Alright, so now that we have this picture of this guy here, you're just gonna want to just 800 by 600, whatever, doesn't matter. Anyways, you're just gonna want to copy. You're going to want to make a new layer. You're just going to want to paste that in. Actually, you don't need to make a new layer, just if you want to. Alright, so anyways, we got the funny picture down. But now, if you want, just let's just do it's funny. So that's not the right font. You need a worse font. So, of course, we're just going to go like Calibri Light. No, we're going to go... It doesn't matter how you make one of these things. They're all low effort. So we're just going to do Calibri Light. And we're just going to make it smaller. So then we're just going to have... Oh yeah, make sure it's all lower caps. Me. And then just do your thing. Plays FNAF. You're gonna want to make sure it's practically unreadable. And you're gonna want funny school, because school is relatable, right kids? And you're just gonna want no, and then me. What? And then you're gonna want there, and then you're just gonna want to merge the image and probably just save it as something. Maybe if you wanted to, you could just go like this. If you really wanted to, and then you could just use crop to selection. And then you could, there you go, funny meme kids. Oh, actually, by the way, the background shouldn't actually be white, it should be like a really bad color. So now, once you do this, you're gonna want to do, no, actually, you're to make this all the more relatable, you're just gonna want to go distort, crystallize. You're just gonna cell size. No, so that's not it. So probably just add noise or something. Ha! Oh, look at that. Look at that. You got your relatable meme. So I hope you guys didn't enjoy this video. Stop making these.